Hello guys, this is a power supply circuit that I designed in Fusion, that I designed in Autodesk Eagle, and as you see it does 4 diodes, and this is connected to the 240 AC transformer. Then it has 2 capacitors, one IC7K05. So this power supply produces 5 volts output. So I generated the PCB for the board. So here is the PCB. Then after getting the PCB, I push it to Fusion 360. So I click push, and then okay, now we have to, now this is the, though I hadn't updated all the 3D model steps, but you can see the IC, the voltage regulating I7805, and this is the connector, the transformer, the diodes, and then the capacitor. There were 3 capacitors, as you can remember. The 3 capacitors were here, like this, 1 2 3. So the 3 capacitors, yeah, the 3 capacitors. Thank you. So let me just show you the 3D view of the model. Thank you, and please subscribe.